Ah, well, we're having fun. It's a beautiful day. It's a little overcast, cloudy, but no lluvia. And we're just enjoying the day at the beach. I love these guys. I love this country. Put his head in.
Hay que poner varios cangrejos. Ellos tienen que estar más bien.
On, start.
Okay.
What? Go! Yeah.
See?
Puede ser grande. Okay.
Oh.
No, muy pequeña.
He's missing a leg. He's missing some legs. He's three-legged. He's missing legs. Look at that one. See? Look at that shell.
Barbie.
Hi! Yeah. Oh! Ah! Go! Oh! Woo! Yeehaw! Hup. Decided to come down to Dominical. This is the Baru River, where it empties into the Pacific. And we got Arturo and Marvin over here fishing.
Tirando la cuerda. King, come on.
Oh, he must have spotted me. All right. Come. Were you missing me? King. Come. He was missing me. Come. Let's go. Boy. Stay with you a long time. GoPro. Don't put your hand out like that. You're muy bonito. There. Go.
No.
See. Beautiful.
Yes,
Beautiful point.